Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve the problem A from the weekly contest 383 and on the boundary. So if you are new to the programming, then this problem can be a tough one for you. But if you have been in this platform for a good amount of time, then this problem is a cakewalk. Now let's understand the problem. So if you just started programming, don't worry. These are basic problems you need to do in the beginning. An ant is on the boundary. It sometimes goes left and sometimes right. You are given an array of non-zero integer numbers. The ant starts reading numbers from the first element of it. At each step, it moves according to the value of the current element. Suppose let's consider my ant is starting at point 0. It can start at any point. So he did not mention which point the ant can start. So you can start at any point. And it moves to the left means we will decrease, and if it's moving towards the right, then we will increase. We need to return the number of times that ant returns to the boundary. So we need to return how many times it's coming to the point 0. So if you see this 2 3 minus 5, let's consider our boundary as 0. 0 plus 2 is 2, then 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So we are reaching the boundary. So here what I can do is that I will do prefix sum. And whenever my sum is 0, that means we have gone left, right, and finally we have reached boundary. Then we will increment the count. Then same operations will be repeated, left, right, then we will reach the boundary. So you can try coding yourself. So I think you have tried it. Now let's see the coding part. S is equals to 0 and count is equals to 0. We will iterate and we will calculate S is equals to S plus I. And if I am reaching the boundary, that means we are going left and going right, and some point or other we will reaching the boundary. So we are incrementing the counter and we are returning C. If you see this, guess the time complexity. So we are iterating v only once, so it will be order of n, and we are not using any extra space, so it will be order of 1. I think you have got it. So if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe, and if you understood it, please do like. I have created a WhatsApp community. You can join that community for further discussions and for more updates. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.